The last moose you saw was so fat. Jesus and God used him as the heaven gate. Oh, it's perfect, Jesus. Don't you think it is? Yes, it's awesome. Even Pac-Man couldn't eat him. When he died, he broke the stairway to heaven. Oh, come on! Not the stairway to heaven. I don't want to go to bad heaven when I die. The last bunny you saw was so stupid. He took his computer to the doctor because it had a virus. Oh, come on! Not a virus on a computer. I'm not a tech guy. The last antelope you saw was so fat. When he went out in a bloody mood, everyone shouted, "Dinocraft T-Rex!" Oh, come on, everybody. That's not the Dinocraft T-Rex. That's a fat antelope bleeding. The last wolf you saw was so fat. Was so cool. Well, even Baldy couldn't teach a wolf. Yes! Get Baldy! Teach him a lesson for child abuse! He shaves with a weed whacker. He walks past when he went out when he went out in a black with gray cloth on him at a museum. Everyone in the winter, everyone shouted, "Ice Age Wolf!" Oh, come on, everybody, that's not an Ice Age wolf. Yoff, the last otter, the last moose you saw was so fat, was so skinny. When he went out with huge antlers, everyone shouted, "Megalosaurus!" Oh, come on, everybody, that's not a megalosaurus, it's a moose. The last beaver you saw was so fat. When he went out in a bear costume, everyone shouted, "Diprotodon!" Oh, come on, everybody, that's not the Diprotodon. Yup, the last bear you saw was so fat. He's the reason moas became extinct in a volcanic eruption.